Okay, welcome back. It is day 213 of coding every day. So today I went into lab and kind of just cleaned up code today, to be honest, from my um, Wi-Fi sensing stuff because I had a meeting with my professor in the afternoon to go over it before I start data collection. There was a lot of things that he wanted me to kind of fix. Actually, I need to send him a full rundown of how all the calculations are being like executed, like in like kind of a flow chart, because I really couldn't express it to him today. And I didn't touch networking until 2 weeks ago, so I don't know actually like like the equations are actually like I can get a high level meaning, but like the like actual specific parts, I don't really know, I guess. Um, so so yeah, need to send that to him so he can validate my pipeline and I can start data collection to train a model. Um, so yeah, that was about it that I did in the lab today. And then I did a leak code. The leak code was simply just given a string. You have your vowels and then any other letter, and then count the maximum frequency of the vowels, and then count the maximum frequency of the other letters, and add those together and return that. So very simple. I think I should look at solutions because I think it definitely shouldn't have taken that many lines, but I just made two frequency counters, sorted them in descending order, and then turned them into dictionaries so that I could um, I would turn them into dictionaries so I could sort them, and then I turned them into lists so I could get just the first element instead of having to like loop through the key and value pairs. So yeah, that's all I did today. Tomorrow I'm going to a master's thesis defense, which should be cool, I guess. But yeah, that's all I have. I will see you tomorrow. Let you know how that thing goes, and if I start data collection, I guess. Okay, that's all I have. Take care. Bye.